Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Sweet birthday message ni Catherine kay Mami Min. Ito yung mga picture nila yung nasa screen. Sabi ni Catherine, they say you can choose your family. But if I had the chance, I still choose you to be my mom over and over again. Our relationship may not be perfect, lots of fights and misunderstandings, but it's the imperfect moments that made us stronger. They made me love you even more. You're a big part of who I am today, Mama. We don't say it much, but we love you dearly. Your happiness will always be my happiness. Happy birthday. Love your bunso, the most kulit and stressful ones. You know, sweet funny Catherine kay Mami Min Iba talaga si Mami Min mag-alaga kay Catherine. Napalaki niya ng maayos si Catherine Kitang-kita naman. And happy birthday kay Mami Min. Ito pa yung post ni Dimple Sumana. Bumisita siya sa Casa Bernardo para batiin ng happy birthday si Mami Min. Yan yung picture nila. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.